Could I touch your house for a second? Just to let you out, like I do every day. Okay. Hands off my house. This is brilliant. But I like this. This is mine. And this is yours, okay. Got it. Mine. Mine. Choir tryouts. I can whistle the Addams Family theme. Excellent. What else can you sing? Songs I know. 1. The Addams Family. This is the best time of the year. Human stays home to scratch me more. Yos, yos. Human also puts out more purchase. And makes some shredding toys just for me. Which one is a bird? But which one is a cage? You're so smart. Now, can you go to your cage? Whoop. Whoops. You bad at scritches. Not that way. Doing it wrong. More scritch please. If I do, are you going to bite me again? No. You can preen me. What do I do? Hello, I'd like to place an order. Hey there friend, think you have the wrong number. Okay, to large seed please. And popcorn. Who's that? Dunno, but they sound peckish. Scritch please. I'll scritch you, if you step up. Never mind then, I'll just do it myself. One hour later. All done, my turn. Okay, my turn again. I got you a new toy. Oh my god. Let me just get this thing off. All yours. Yay. On the 12 days of Birdmas my parrot gave to me 12 screamy mornings. Mum. I know you're awake. Feed me. 11 giant vet bills. 10 poopy outfits. Is there poop on me? Yup. 9 daily sweepings. 8 painful bite wounds. 7 broken glasses. 6 lost deposits. 5 noise complaints. 4 missing keys. 3 more bites. 2 feet in lunch. And a friend who's worth all of those things. Just one bit of fry each. Yos. More please. No. More. Hello, we are your other bird. Fry please. Beep. What was that? Stop, you're hitting keys. Launch code entered. Missile launch in 3, 2. You look hungry. Don't worry, I got you. Bleh. Play. Soon, Burby. I'm still working. Later. Okay birdies, I'm done. Time to play.